You're not tired, you're not broken, you're just not fully activated yet. And if you're scrolling because you feel lazy or unmotivated, good. That means you still care. Let's be honest. You're not lazy because you're incapable. You're lazy because your brain got too comfortable. Too used to easy dopamine, scrolling, snacking, watching, repeating. You're not the problem. Your habits are. So instead of judging yourself, let's fix it. Here are 6 simple ways to break laziness and procrastination. Number 1, win the next 5 minutes. Stop thinking about finishing everything. Just start something. Tell yourself, I'll just do 5 minutes. Most of the time, once you start, momentum carries you. When I don't feel like going to the gym, my mind starts throwing excuses. You're tired. Just go tomorrow. Instead of debating, I tell myself, just show up for 5 minutes. But once I walk in the gym, the music hits, energy kicks in, and suddenly I'm having one of my best workouts. Number 2, make laziness inconvenient. If your phone distracts you, charge it in another room. Don't fight temptation. Remove it. I used to scroll on my phone in bed every morning. Now I charge it across the room so when my alarm rings, I have to physically get up. I don't rely on motivation. I use distance as discipline. Number 3, use accountability pressure. Tell someone your goal or post your progress online. When people are watching, you naturally level up. I started texting my friend every morning, Jim, and if I didn't send it, he'd roast me. Suddenly, skipping wasn't just about disappointing myself. I didn't want to get clowned. Shame can be a powerful fuel. Number 4, apply the 2-task rule. Forget long to-do lists. Every day, pick just 2 tasks that actually move your life forward. Do them first. The rest is optional. I used to make massive to-do lists and complete none of them. Now I choose just 2 non-negotiables per day, like write 1 page and send 1 email. Once those are done, even if I do nothing else, the day still moved forward. Number 5, reward after effort, not before. No Netflix before work. No snacks before cleaning. Teach your brain. Pleasure comes from progress. I'm only allowed to watch Netflix after I finish cleaning or working. No more just 1 episode and then I'll start, because I never start. But when I flip it around, chores actually feel satisfying, because I know I've earned the reward. Number 6, stop waiting to feel ready. You don't get motivated before starting. You get motivated after starting. Action comes first, feelings follow. Most mornings, I don't feel like working. I don't wait for motivation, I just open my laptop and type 1 ugly sentence. It's almost always trash. But that 1 sentence turns into a paragraph, then a full flow. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. There's a stronger version of you waiting to be unlocked. You don't need to change your whole life today. You just need to prove to yourself that you're not someone who quits. So don't just nod your head at this. Pause this video. Do 1 thing, then come back and type done. Your future self is watching. If this video helped you even a little, do me 1 favor. Share it with someone who needs it. Hit like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment.